This is one of the sections that I have on student loans. Now, if your student loans is already negative, the whole book can help with that if you need to get your student loans deleted. But I talk about, should you consolidate your debt? A lot of people like to consolidate their student loans, so I talked about it. So student loans can definitely help if they're paid on time and in good standing. So if you guys have your student loans and they're in good standing, they can help you. So even if you're a deferment or forbearance, the account still shows up on your credit reports and help with your credit mix. However, missed payments can be devastating. So if you guys have any mixed payments, we go over mixed payments in this book. If you guys need to delete the full student loan, we go over that in that book. So it talks about today, look at your student loan status and write out a plan, whether you're going to get it out of default, whether you're staying current on it, or you're going to set up an auto pay to protect your score. I'm going to go deeper during this time too when we're on day 56 to talk more about student loans. So I'm going to talk about how you guys can do a deferment. It looks like you're a nurse. So I'm going to talk about options for people that are teachers, that are nurses. If you guys are low income, I'm going to teach you guys options if you guys are low income. Some people are trying to buy a house, so the overall debt of these student loans is hurting them, so they need to get it deleted. So I'm going to show you guys how to actually delete it, and I'm going to actually find a screenshot of me actually deleting one of my clients' student loans and add it here to the screen, because you definitely can delete your student loans if you need to just have it deleted. And that's if you got a lot of late payments. Like if you got so many late payments, you probably should just delete it, and that comes down to almost any account that you have. But I'm going to make sure I find that screenshot and add it here. So make sure you guys get your workbooks. They're definitely selling out. And just keep in mind, too, when you guys have student loans, make sure you guys keep them in good standing, because it do help with your payment history. A lot of people don't have anything but student loans, and the point that they've been in school this whole time, they've been reporting, and they don't have any late payments. That helped them. So when they got out of school, they already had some type of credit. So even if it is deferred, you guys, it's going to help with your credit mix and your account age. Understand that those missed payments are going to hurt. So we're going to talk about setting up those auto pay and how to get your payment down very, very low. I helped someone, because I'm also a real estate broker. I helped one of my clients years ago. She had a problem with someone else trying to get a house. So it was a point that her debt to income ratio, she had a problem with that. So I helped her get her payment all the way down so that her payment did not hurt in terms of her debt to income ratio. So that's something we're going to go over. So make sure that you guys are making your regular payments over time, no matter what. Figure out if you want to consolidate this debt, but we definitely go over student loans in this book, and the main data we're going over is this one. If you need to delete it, we need to just go put them on just all out disputing, basically. That's what you need to do. But we definitely go over it. I hope that this helps. Make sure you guys get your book, because they are definitely selling out, and we are going to start doing our free credit lock-in, which is going to start October 17th. I want you guys to have it in time, because this is day 56, so this is like 2 months in already. If we really think about it, this is almost at the end, because we got 75 days. So make sure you guys get your workbook. I'm going to make sure I go live. You guys are going to get access to a free course also that goes over everything that you need to learn.